Are you ready to discover why zebras are the Usain Bolts of the animal kingdom? Let's race through some fun facts. Zebras are not just stylish horses with stripes. They can hit speeds up to 65 kilometers per hour. That's faster than your average city speed limit. Their black and white stripes aren't just for show. They create a motion dazzle effect, confusing predators and giving zebras a head start. And those powerful legs? They can run from 0 to 65 in seconds. Imagine if your morning jog was that fast. Plus, zebras have a zigzag run to dodge lions and cheetahs. It's like nature's built-in evade button. So next time you see a zebra, remember, they're more than just a pretty face. They're nature's speed demons. Thanks for zooming by. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild facts.